Well, welcome to Dark News. Today is September 16th, 2014, and we'll just be going over the dark market prices for today. Starting with precious metals and cryptocurrencies, the total market cap is now sitting at $7.05 trillion. That's down from $7.22 trillion a couple weeks ago when we last checked in on the prices, about 2% down. Cryptocurrencies down just about a little bit under 1%, sitting at $6.85 billion. Silver dropped a little bit relative to the dollar, about 2%, same for gold in the last couple of weeks. And a similar story for Bitcoin. You can now buy 2.13 millibits with every US dollar. The last week and a half has treated Darkcoin fairly well, still sitting at number 8 in the cryptocurrency market cap rankings. And the dollar lost about 25% relative to Darkcoin, and it's sitting at pretty reasonable levels right now, just a bit above $3 per Darkcoin. Monero lost a little bit of ground in the last week and a half. Dollar gained about 9% relative to Monero, and Monero is sitting at number 11, not too far below Darkcoin. Just below Monero is BitcoinDark, still at number 12, and it actually saw some gains in the last week and a half. Dollar dropping about 8% relative to BitcoinDark. And just about the same amount for XCurrency, now sitting at number 16. Bitcoin, the crypto note companion to Monero, now sitting at number 18, and the dollar gained about 20% relative to Bitcoin as it lost a little bit of value. Cloakcoin lost more value in the last week. It's now dropped from number 39 in the rankings to number 51, and the dollar gained about 23% relative to that. Anoncoin, on the other hand, had a very good week and a half, seeing some activity coming from the Anoncoin developers, and it shot up, the dollar losing 49% relative to Anoncoin, and now sitting at number 36. That's actually above Cloakcoin now, and we're looking forward to some potential released details and software coming out of Anoncoin in the near future with their zero coin / zero cash implementation. Fedora Coin actually gained some ground, still sitting at number 153, but the dollar losing about 24% relative to Fedora Coin. 22 LR rounds are on sale right now, and not much of a change for 9mm and the 7.62 by 39 rounds. If we take a look at some of the top cryptocurrencies, excluding Litecoin and Ripple as well, BitShares sitting on top, had a very positive couple weeks. In general, most of the cryptocurrencies, these altcoins, are up in the last couple weeks. Next is up. Dogecoin actually surpassed Purecoin. Darkcoin up as well. And if we zoom in and take a look at the logarithmic graph for these cryptocurrencies, we can see that Dogecoin, probably the big winner in this last week and a half. That is due to the merge mining with Litecoin. Darkcoin gaining some ground, Namecoin as well. Not much position changing at all for the top cryptocurrencies, with the exception of Dogecoin and Purecoin. And Blackcoin also had a very positive week and a half or so. But most of these cryptocurrencies just up substantially or just a little bit in this last week and a half, and not much downward trend at all. So that will do it for our market update for September 16th. Thank you very much for watching. And in the meantime, have a very dark week, and we'll see you soon.